Smile for YouTube! All the boats are racing right now, so we're gonna head towards the pits or towards the bleachers to see them racing. So we just got into the pits and it costs $25 each to get in here. So, and they told us that we got another race starting. Oh, it just started actually. I think it just started.
Yeah, 12, 1.
What time is it now?
12.
12. So literally the race just started.
The first day, we were over on the beach, and you're not working anymore. Well, Mike told me.
As of right now.
Yeah, Mike told me a little bit about it. Monday coming back tomorrow, or Monday or Sunday.
That's how I want to be told. That's how I did afternoon. You want me?
I never went in there, but I drove by it a bunch of times. I know where it is.
place. Third place, fourth place, and the helicopter. There's the winner right there, guys. Alright guys, that was the race. Let's go for a little walk towards the pits, show you guys the vibes, and then I'm gonna go back to the hotel room to upload yesterday's video.
Video number 1.
So, video number 1 of the Key West Poker Run. If you haven't already seen it, go back and watch it, because it was a nice, badass video. What?
Says he watches this
Oh,
show.
shit.
We
Thanks,
watched
man.
your show.
Appreciate it, man.
We just got done racing.
Oh, yeah?
I was gonna get a hold of you.
Uh-huh.
I'd like you to race one race with me next year.
I'm down 100%, man.
I have the Phantom
Okay.
32 with the Pac-Man stuff down the side.
Okay.
Your boat vibes, right?
Yeah?
Yeah. But I got the Phantom 32 that's got the Pac-Man stuff down the side of it.
Uh-huh.
I want you to race one race with me.
Let's do it. Great. Man, everybody's recognizing us, but we're gonna get a little walk around video of what a real race boat looks like. I'm excited for that.
Babe, you know what I saw?
What? You saw a wiener, dog.
That made me miss tea so much.
Oh.
We're gonna bring her and get her little boat vibe shirt, babe.
Yeah, we'll bring her with a little boat vibe shirt.
Look, salty dogs. Very cute. Look, they got their little coconut.
Bikinis, huh? You wanna get yourself some bikini? Huh? Wanna get yourself some thong bikini? Yeah? Yami's a big fanatic of her thong bikinis.
We can come back. Look, babe, look at the shirt.
You're an old boy, too. You're an old boy, yeah. Alright, let's see. Pincho barge. Pincho! What's going on? What's up, bro? What's up, Ivan? Here are the rear pits. Excuse me, guys. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, guys. So I just realized I didn't end this video. We're here at the pits, and now we're going to have a huge boat parade. Right? So I got this light, and I'm going to show you guys all the boats in the boat parade on the next video. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this boat race, and we're gonna be here all week, and I'm recording everything, so stay tuned for all the videos, guys. I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. All right, you want to say anything, babe?
Stay tuned.
All right, guys, you heard it. Peace.